Let's take a closer look at the FieldTemp sensor system. From surface air temperatures and radiation shields to long temperature strings that you can bury or even grout into rock, FieldTemp has you covered. One of the most crucial concepts in the FieldTemp system is that of the sensor string. A sensor string consists of these digital temperature sensors that are modular and can be assembled in many configurations, each one with its own unique serial number, and a sensor head unit that knows how to read those temperature sensors and apply a calibration to them, and that gets sent off for logging. So you can combine different sensors and make pretty much any configuration you want, and have up to 12 temperature sensing heads attached to one logging unit. We've even taken some of those digital temperature sensors and put them inside radiation shields that let you get surface temperature measurements as well as ground temperature measurements. And that can be really crucial if you're doing very near surface ground temperature work. But to the logger, this just looks like another temperature string. So each temperature string can have up to 128 of these digital temperature sensors in it. And they connect together very simply, and they're protected by PEX tubing. This is just 3/4 PEX water piping that you can find at any hardware store. And the crimps are done with the PEX crimping tool and PEX rings. So while we send all of this to you when we configure your system, if you run out in the field or you need to adapt and have a longer or shorter string, it's really easy to reconfigure with locally available parts, because all of the difficult parts are already done and epoxied safely to take your data. To connect the temperature strings to your logger, we have a wide variety of lengths of this M8 weatherproof cable. These have a little O-ring gasket in them that makes them watertight, and I have submerged these for quite a while, sprayed them with high pressure water. We put these out during a pretty torrential rainstorm, and there wasn't a single missed data point. These cables are also UV resistant. To connect more than one temperature string to a logger, we have M8 splitters. So you can plug this into the logger or plug it into the end of a cable and connect a temperature string and then go on to the next string or even another splitter. All of these accessories, again, are weatherproof and have been really versatile in our testing. One of the key aspects of the FieldTemp sensor string is its versatility. As I said, it's all assembled very easily with hardware store components other than the sensors themselves, which means that you can cut this apart and you can adapt. You may have to add some more wire in to make a segment longer, or cut some wire out, or just shove it up in the tube if you're making a segment shorter. But you can change this in the field, and you can reuse those sensors for later field deployments, meaning that it saves you a lot of money compared to fixed cable systems in the long run. For advanced users, it is possible to reprogram the temperature head unit to accept different sensors or different numbers of sensors, so you can even repair these in the field or change the number of sensors on the fly, though that takes a little bit more work than just using the phone app. Advanced users will like that they can even reconfigure these head units using a cable to their computer and some serial commands to allow different numbers of sensors to be connected, or even sensor replacement in the field, which can be done by just cutting apart your string and splicing a new sensor in and telling the head unit about the new sensor serial number and calibration. So this system is easily fixable, easily adaptable, and that's on request after talking to lots of researchers, engineers, and scientists just like you. That's a quick overview of the FieldTemp temperature string components. In the next videos, we'll talk about connecting temperature strings to a data logger and how you can build one of these PEX units in the field yourself. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here and happy to help.